Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel ERC Academy. If you are a student, researcher or academician, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. Today I am going to introduce you with Mendeley, a very powerful reference manager that helps you to organize your research, site sources and collaborations with others. Let's get started. Let's see how to install Mendeley. At first, open your browser, then go to www.mendeley.com. It will take you to the original software download site. Okay, so we need to go to download. Now you can see this Mendeley Reference Manager for desktop is available for Windows. It's available for Mac OS and also for Linux. For me, I will download for Windows. So it's downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a very simple next and finish process. And after installation, launch Mendeley software. After successful installation, you have to load the software from your computer program. So here it is. So you will be prompted to sign in or create a free account software. So I already have an account. That is why I'm going to log in using my password. It will take some time and it will redirect you to your main page of that software. Okay, now you can see I already enlisted or uploaded some previous books and research articles, which is listed here. Now, the key features and uses of Mendeley. What we can see that we can organize our research library, we can drag and drop PDF files into Mendeley, or also we can add references from here. So first of all, we can add references from here and import files. For example, I would like to upload a research file here. This one is police officer on the front line or a soldier. I am uploading this research file here. Okay, so it's here. Now you can see this is the author's name, the year of publication, the title of the research paper. Unfortunately, source is not available, but we can insert it manually. However, I would like to show you from here. I'm going to recreate a section. This is how we create a folder. We need to go to create collection and I'm typing this is a test and save. Now open this folder. We can see there is no references in this collection, but what we can do, we can upload from here, import file from our folder, or also we can import folders as well. Now I'm going to minimize this one. Okay, let's see. Now I want to drag and drop. I'm adding a new book, Introductory Econometrics. Yes, it's successfully uploaded here. It shows the author's name as Ulrich's. Year of publication is 2021. Title Introductory Econometrics, a Modern Approach. Source is not available, but we can add from here as well. So if you have some information like the DOI number or ISBN number, ISSN number, you can add that. However, so this is how we upload the research file or upload the books. Now the main thing is that how can we generate citations and bibliographies? That is why we will be using a Microsoft Office file. Let's create a Word document. I just named it, this is a test. Let's open this Word file. Okay, so this is a empty Word file, and I will be writing something here. For example, I'm just going to write this is a test, and I want to cite something. For example, if I want to something, this line is written from here, or I took this line, took this statement from this book. What I can do, I can just go to references, Mendeley site, and for the first time after installation and login, I have to go to get started. To sign in again here. Okay. It will load all of your citations or all of your publications that you already uploaded to your Mendeley site software. Now I want to use this as an citation. I will do insert citation. Okay, so it works, and what we can see, this is a very automatic process, but we did not see any references here. Look, that there is no references here. So to add references, what we can do, we will go to this option and insert bibliography, and we will select this option, keep live updates, and continue. Yes, that's it. So our references will be generated here. Now I would like to add another references for your understanding purposes. Let's see, we want to use another statement here, and we would like to cite, for example, we want to cite this research paper. Just look at it, automatically shows here. So it will be automatic, it will automatically take to your references section here, so you don't need to do anything manually. In all cases, you can use this software for your simplistic purposes. Now if you want to insert 2 or more papers simultaneously, then what we can do, again I'm writing this is a test 2, and I would like to insert 2 or more citations. Then what I can do, I will just select those papers, for example this one, and this one. Now insert 3 citations. You see that all of your citations will be here and your references will be added here. So this is very straightforward to see. So Mendeley automatically extracts metadata like title, the paper topics, author and journal, etc. This is very easy to see. And from your Word file, you can also select the styles like APA, Chicago, MLA, or other styles as well. So that's the importance of using Mendeley for references purposes. And that's it. Mendeley is a must-have tool for anyone serious about research. Whether you are writing a thesis or preparing lecture notes or publishing a paper, it will save your time and keep your work organized. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more academic tools and tutorials.